Hello everyone. Today we are in India International Trade Fair in Pragati Maidan. So we are into Bihar Pavilion, and today I'm going to show you the exhibition in Bihar Pavilion. So we have handmade fabrics, handmade bags, garments, saris, painting, handmade painting, again saris. This stall is for showing the tradition of Bihar, handmade dolls, and this is our stall, Latifi Silk Exports LLP, Hosanabad, Ponsi Road, Bhagalpur, Bihar, India, with our website Latifi Silk Export, latifisilk.com. So today I'm going to show you what product we have brought for export. First, let us have a look of our stall. We have fabric for home furnishing. We have cushion covers. We have handmade mufflers, yarns, wraparound skirts, rug sample, stalls, muffler, bags. Bags are at the top also. Again, the fabrics, the curtains made from linen, silk. We have a throw as well, throws. We have kept it here. Linen throws made from recycled linen. So these are the different type of cocoon. This is red airy, tussar cocoon with the peduncles. Okay, and this is mulberry, the mulberry cocoon. In the we have different fabric swatches, the linen, silk, the home furnishing fabric swatches. These are fabric swatches we have brought for display purposes. The handmade bag from recycled silk ribbon. We have different yarns, the 100% sari silk yarn, sari silk ribbon, all different type of yarns are available. We have brought wrap around skirts. We have brought fiber sample, another yarns, the cushion covers, all made from recycled silk, different color, beautiful designs. We have brought bags made from silk, recycled silk. We have got a rainbow muffler, as you can see this, beautiful, so beautiful, made from recycled ribbon. So beautiful, lovely. We have another ribbon made from multi-colored recycled silk ribbon. Let me show you. So beautiful. We have one more scarf here, made from recycled yarn. Let's have a look. So soft and beautiful. We have some cushion covers, the bags made from silk, cushion cover. Different type of silk fabrics. We have rugs, a sample of rug made from 100% silk. We can develop any size of this rug. We have another caps, the rainbow cap made from the recycled ribbon. We have multicolor cap made from recycled ribbon. So this is all what we have brought to display in this exhibition, India International Exhibition Trade Fair, Delhi Pragati Maidan. And this is our address, Latifi Silk Exports LLP, Hussainabad, Bossy Road, Bhagalpur, India, with the phone number and the email address, the website. If you guys have any inquiry, please let us know. And if you happen to visit here, please contact us at Bihar Pavilion, stall number 6. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.